the volcano way off the notes out there, that's Hualalai. So that's the one that's right behind the airport there in Corntown. So that one again last erupted in 1801. So of course for us a long time, but for the Earth, that's not real long.
For you and I, Iwaikiki Mako, Ayana Ikeke, Me Ama Ia, for you and I, Ikapahulu Mako, Ayana Lipoa, Me Ama Ia, for you and I. Oh, lunch break. Ikaka akamako, ayana ikapipistu.
Okay, so when we head back down south, we'll find the smoothest route for us. We'll probably stay offshore, but I'll go off a little bit short, a little bit smoother over there.
I'm gonna get you, yeah. In the makeup one, oh, like a apart. For you and I, in the makeup one, oh, I like a paw, and me a ear. For you and I, for you and I, for you and I, for you and I, I'm gonna get you, yeah. How much you wanna pay?
It's really built up off our 10 o'clock too since we left.
For you and I, for you and I, for you and I, for you and I.
You can really see how it's changed up on Mauna Loa. Ew.
I get along with a dog,
Yeah, and it's hard to tell you, from here how high those clouds are.
Which one is Mauna Loa?
12 o'clock, right in the middle. Yeah.
Right in the middle.
Yeah, Mauna Kea at 11, Mauna Loa, and then Hualalai off to the right. Great view, all three of them, and just see how those clouds are just building up. Cool thing about this island, living here, you can really get to a lot of places. You just need four-wheel drive. There's all these little coves, and you can go places on this island and still be by yourself. It's hard to do that on some of the other Hawaiian islands. Maui, Oahu, Kauai, it's beautiful. There's people everywhere. So here it's a little bit more country. Interesting to see these guys fishing out here. They're kind of in the calm spot. It can change quickly, so just like, boy, I know people got to fish, but boy, some days I think like, let's just take today off. As we get down here closer to Kauai High, you can see that bigger wind line. That's where we're gonna We're going to hit it a little bit, so it's not that bad right here. So we talked about the harbor, the deep water port for the west side. Everything is shipped into Kauai here over to Hilo. And then just south of the harbor, right off the 12, you have the northernmost resorts, Mauna Kea Beach Hotel and Hapuna. Mauna Kea was built in 1965 is when it opened up. Rockefeller, Old Lawrence, third generation John built that place. There's nothing here now. Imagine 1965 when I thought of it. It's like we're in a whole nother world compared to where we just left from. Yeah, looks like you could have a little bit of a wet drive back down to Honokaa town. Then down here at the 10, if you ever have a chance, I'm not sure if you guys have been down there, Laura, Chris, but Mohammed, it's just on the other side of the harbor, you have the Pu'uokohola Heiau. And it's really incredible. That heiau was built for King Kamehameha. Men shoulder to shoulder, bringing rocks from the valleys. Pretty incredible. Okay, we might get a little wobble right here with the wind line. But dive, snorkel, surf, fish, golf, hike, hunt, sit around, do nothing. It's a daytime island. You know, nighttime, it's more Oahu, Maui. Great diving down here, snorkeling in Puako. Obviously this morning it's a little blown out, but then you have the Fairmont and the Mauna Lani, and then you get into the Waikoloa area. You go down farther south to Kiholo, and there's not a drop of wind at all. So again, you just kind of move up and down the coastline, and you can find spots that are pretty protected. Kiholo Bay, that's where the scenic lookout is down there, Mohammed, way up our nose. Kind of that bigger bay down there towards the end, and it's really pretty. You go down, you can drive down the beach just past the just past the scenic outlook, just past it on the south side. There's a road that takes you down, but they close it like at 6 or 7 o'clock, the gates. You got to be careful of that.